Hey guys, in this piece of video we are going to discuss 10 MCQ types of questions on Snowflake, Part 1. And welcome to our channel. Video pattern. A question followed by multiple choice answers. Timing for each question will be 5 seconds. Feel free to pause the video if you require more time. Answers will be displayed in our community tab on the next day. This pattern of disclosing the answer will induce your thinking and learning process. Let's jump into our questions. What is Snowflake? A. A type of precipitation. B. A cloud data warehousing platform. C. A winter sports equipment brand. D. A software development framework. What SQL standard is supported by Snowflake? A. TSQL. B. PL/SQL. C. ANSI SQL. D. NoSQL. Is Snowflake a SaaS solutions? Yes or no? What is a virtual warehouse in Snowflake? A. A physical server hosting Snowflake's database engine. B. A logical computing environment for executing queries in Snowflake. C. A storage area for data files in Snowflake. D. A virtual machine for running Snowflake workloads. Can Snowflake run on private cloud infrastructures? Yes or no? Which of the following best describes the architecture of Snowflake? A. Single node architecture. B. Shared disk architecture. C. Shared nothing architecture. D. Hybrid architecture. What is the default cloud provider for Snowflake? A. Amazon Web Services. B. Microsoft Azure. C. Google Cloud Platform. D. Snowflake Cloud Services. Which AWS service is commonly used by Snowflake for data storage? A. Amazon EC2 instances. B. Amazon RDS. C. AWS S3 bucket. D. Amazon Redshift. Which types of data does Snowflake support? A. Only structured data. B. Only semi-structured data. C. Only unstructured data. D. Structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. What is the range of pricing options available for Snowflake? A. Fixed pricing only. B. Pay-as-you-go pricing only. C. Both fixed pricing and pay-as-you-go pricing. D. No pricing options are available. Thank you. Once again, we will meet you in another piece of information. Answers will be displayed on our community tab. Please leave your comment specifying the number of questions you were able to answer and for which question you found difficult to find the answer. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this with at least one friend who could benefit from it. To show your support, engage with our content.